dreamed of journeys through the night. The moon said, "Star, please stay near. The night is dark, you'll disappear." But the little star just smiled with glee. "I'll light the path for all to see." Through clouds and storms he danced with grace, a shining light in every space. The sky still tells of his daring flight, the brave little star who shines so bright, bright. Up in the sky, so far, so high, lived a star who loved to fly, while others twinkled still and bright.